fall season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends.
I just listened to super bass, while working out, and that was the best thing to work out to. Okay, so I'm at the gym right now. Got a quick workout in before school. My face is literally so red every time I work out. I look like a tomato. Tomorrow is my last day of school before break, so today we've had a bunch of dress up days at school, which has been so nice because we don't have to wear a uniform, which is like amazing. So today is pajama day, so I'm gonna wear some Christmas pajama pants, maybe a t-shirt or a Christmas sweatshirt. I don't know. We are gonna choose when I get home. I don't have class until noon, but my favorite teacher at my school, she always hosts a senior lunch, and she like makes food and brings food for all the senior girls, and so I'm gonna go to that today. And she always makes like the best cookie cake ever. I can't even explain it, but it's just like so freaking good. So yeah, I'm not gonna shower when I get home because I just don't think I'll have enough time, but I'm gonna hurry, get dressed, and then finish up some last minute homework and some studying for a test. Fit check. We've got Christmas pants on from Old Navy. Top is from Dick's Sporting Goods. And yeah, I'm wearing my 270s, but in white. Usually I wear black because my school makes us wear black. I've been trying not to wear makeup every day because my face, naturally, I don't get acne, but I just get like really bad rosacea. And so my cheeks just get so red. I made my dad some lemon water, and then I also made myself one in this big Yeti cup. Oh shit, I forgot to take my medicine. Oops. Rewind. Okay. Oh, it's recording! Oh! Yeah! Tell us, what day is it? It's Vlogmas Day 17! Hands on the wheel, baby, hands on the wheel! 17, right? Tomorrow's 17th? Everywhere you go, it smells like pepper. Yep, Vlogmas Day 17. What happens if I twist this little lens? I don't think it does anything. Really? Dude, I saw a dead cat on the road today. I'm gonna cry. Look at her, guys. Driving to school right now. We just hit a little bump, guys, in the road. I'll have no one to show. How do I stop it again? Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Up, down, left, right. Okay. But you have to do it with the right hand. Practice. Okay guys, we're at school.
Don't do it like that.
It's kind of musty outside. I got home from school and I had a huge test today, but thankfully that's over. But I came home and I got 4 things in the mail, so I want to show you guys what I got. First, I got these pair of black cowgirl boots. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed. I tried them on and they are adorable. Next, I got a hat from Sunbum. It's one of like the trucker hats, so I'm really excited. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. I got 2 swimsuits. Let me show you that. Also, my face is so red. I think I'm having an allergic reaction. First, I got this neon green one. It's a bikini set, and I'll insert a picture of me wearing it because I tried it on before I took a shower. And then I just got this red swimsuit top, no bottoms though. But yeah, just a little staple swimsuit. I'm really excited. I cleaned out a bunch of my swimsuits from last year and I'm actually selling them on Poshmark. So my swimsuit drawer is pretty empty right now. Might want to go check out my Poshmark after this and snag some. My lips have been feeling so dehydrated. I'm gonna put on some Glossier Birthday Balm because for some reason my bottom lip just hurts really bad. Okay, so we're about to eat dinner right now, but tonight I'm gonna be spending the night at my friend's house. She doesn't go to school with me, but she's a really good friend of mine. Her name is also Caroline. And I'm so excited because we're gonna be going to the Trail of Lights. It's like a drive-through light show thing, and it's like in downtown Austin, so I'm really excited. And then I just figure, my mom was like, just spend the night at her house and then just go to school early tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave early and then go to school. So yeah. Also, look how cute this sweatshirt is that my mom got me during Black Friday. It's from Lululemon. It just says Lululemon on it. And then I'm pairing it with these like Christmas pant things from Old Navy, my fave. Okay, I'm gonna put on my slippers right now. You guys, these are my favorite slippers that I've ever owned. Look at how, also, I'm really obsessed with my toes. I got them done the other day. These are just so freaking cute. Comfiest outfit ever. Okay, let's go. So I'm eating mashed potatoes. I already ate a first serving, but now I got more. These are from Idaho. Shout out Idaho. Boise. And then we have Brussels sprouts, which I will not be eating.
They're so good.
Nope.
They are, they're delicious.
Dude, what sauce did you put on that?
Too much oil on it.
And then we're having chicken, my dad's famous chicken.
Just try one piece, okay?
No, I'm gonna throw up.
No,
They're
you're
really
not.
good.
I swear.
Dude, I can't do Brussels sprouts. Dad, look at that chicken.
I know. That's yours, Kat.
You'll make.
We'll give you more.
Yeah, I want a little more.
Of the world famous poppers.
Bye.
Okay, I have my backpack packed for tomorrow, and this is my sleepover bag. It's my merch. That's a tote bag. It says ginger snaps and candy canes. Oh, the joy this year brings. It's part of my Christmas song, and yeah, it's great. I've been bringing this to sleepovers lately. There's lots of room. What's up, guys? Okay, so I'm at Caroline's house right now. She's in the bathroom, so she'll probably come out in a second. But we've basically been catching up for the past 2 hours, and we're gonna go to Trail of Lights. Here she is. By the way, keep in mind, Caroline is literally so tall. So next to me, I'm like a little mushroom.
I was like, who is she talking to? Is she on FaceTime or something?
And we're probably gonna get food. Oh my god. Hi, Maggie.
Oh no, please don't feed her. Did she just pee everywhere?
Maggie move. I just got the best peppermint milkshake of my life.
And I got a full-blown meal.
This is amazing.
We get to the counter and she literally goes, can I get a small peppermint shake? After I'm like, can I get a #1 meal, large fry, large water, no pit? Like, come on.
I had a big dinner tonight, which you guys saw. So
you guys saw it anyway.
yeah, definitely recommend getting the peppermint milkshake. So good.
Oh my god. I'm waiting for my food. And she just goes, we're doing this one. And I was like, what? And she starts, chill. She starts filming a TikTok. And she's like, I'm gonna ride into it. Just like in front of the Chipotle guy. And he starts talking to me and I'm like,
we had to stop it.
Yes,
we had to stop the TikTok dance.
I'm sorry. We will get back
was
on
sweet,
that content grind though. Oh, I know. I love Raphael.
Does he go to your school?
Austin says hi to him every day. Because I come here every day.
Okay, we're not gonna be late, right? How far is it?
Look at that Mercedes.
With this video.
I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. I said this the other day, we need to just make a podcast. So after she graduates, since I already left, we can just go, like, just blow it up.
Yeah, we do need a podcast.
Because it is so bad.
Boner alert.
Whoa, whoa. Trigger warning.
Wow, that chicken is huge.
It doesn't fit on the bread.
He got it just for you.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, we almost died.
Like, actually.
Like, we almost hit a car.
It was not good.
It was terrible.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. This season's greetings, happy meetings. Oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and
Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Vlogmas Day 18. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Ciao.
It was always much more fun. Bottle of my gift, so I